Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Kick the buck plus ET bucket. Kick the bucket. If you could do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you all. Thank you very much. Welcome to our show. Obviously, I have to begin today by explaining the jacket. If we can zoom in just a little, I want you to zoom in, Mark, on this tie of mine. This necktie, believe it or not, has patterns and designs and colors which correspond perfectly to this jacket, which is owned by Doc Severinsen of The Tonight Show, which tapes across the hall. Doc would like to borrow the tie to go with the jacket. I figured that's fine. I'll let him do that if he will allow me to wear his jacket for the opening of our program. And if you folks really like it, then I will keep it. What about it?
Yeah.
The jacket goes back. Let me introduce our contestants. Ladies and gentlemen, our returning champion, this lovely lady on my right who has won big on our program, $11,688 for Dina Goldstein. Welcome back to you, Dina.
Thank you. Thank you.
And her opponent, we introduced him on our last program, David Cachadorian. Yeah! David, welcome. Good luck today.
Thank you very much.
Take a look over here. We will show you one of the prizes the two of you are competing for in this game.
The new Encyclopedia Britannica, the 32-volume edition for the whole family to use for home study, looking up facts, or probing subjects in depth in handsome black bindings, furnished by Encyclopedia Britannica. Alex.
And that can be found on our game board behind number 21. In addition, we have a vacation at a California luxury hotel. We don't know where it is, somewhere in the state. If you win it, we may tell you about it. David, you get to select first.
Okay, right smack in the middle with number 13.
Hot air balloon ride.
Wow, okay. For that hot air balloon ride under number 22, please.
Red take, no match. Dina.
Okay, well, let's see. I'd like that vacation. I don't know where it is. Number 17.
Diamond necklace.
I'll take that. Number 18.
No, radial tires. That's a strange combination. No match, obviously. Let's go to David again.
Number 6 for that hot air balloon ride.
Yes.
And number 13 for the match.
13 dead center for the match. If you have never been on a hot air balloon ride, it is an experience, a wonderful experience. Open these two doors for David, please. Select again.
Number 8, please.
Stereo system?
I could use a new stereo. Let's look for a stereo under number 4.
Satellite dish, no match there. Dina.
Number 5, please. Ooh,
Green
I
take.
would like to take. Number 14, please.
No, red take. David.
I think we saw that red take under number 22.
Yes.
And number 5 for the match.
Oh, poor David. That's a heartbreaker. Dina.
Number 14, please.
Red.
And number 22.
14 and 22 is the combination that works. You gave the hot air balloon ride about the shortest glance of any contestant I've ever had on the program. It's just, I don't want that. I don't want that. You
I'll
don't.
wait.
I thought you might. Open these two doors for Dina. Pick again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 1, please.
Radial tires.
And the match for that, under number 18.
18, I believe, is correct for radial tires. I'm going to assume, Dina, until you tell me differently, that you don't want the hot air balloon ride.
Okay, yes, you can assume
Two doors will open for your benefit right now. Select again.
Let's see. Number 25, please.
Diamond necklace.
Oh, I want the diamond necklace. And number 17.
Diamond necklace, yes. Another two doors, another two panels, swinging open and revealing Obviously not enough to solve the puzzle.
All right.
Dina.
Let's go up to number 3, please.
California
Oh.
Luxury Hotel. It's the
All
Bel
right.
Air Summit Hotel here in the Los Angeles area.
That sounds nice. All right, let's go to number 11, please.
Green take, no match. David?
Okay, real quick, let's take number 5 for that green take.
Yep.
Number 11 for the match.
Right. That's a match there. If you have anything you want,
Oh, diamond necklace might be worth something. Let's take that.
take it. But
But I could take it
you are
back
thinking
now.
of it in what sounds like a very monetary
With a positive
way.
attitude.
Yeah, but are you going to keep the necklace, give it to somebody, or sell it?
Sell it.
Aha.
Okay.
Okay. Open these 2 doors for him. Pick again, David.
Number 3, please.
California Luxury
And I
Hotel?
think we saw that under number 16.
No, that's a satellite dish. Dina, back to you.
All right, number 4, please.
Satellite dish?
And number 16.
Satellite dish, good prize.
I'd like my diamond necklace back, please, to go with my diamond bracelet.
Getting very possessive,
Yes.
aren't we? My diamond necklace back. All right, it's back, and you get a look at these 2 pieces of the puzzle. And our 2 takes are no longer part of the scenario in this first game today. So, Dina, select.
All right, let's see what's under number 23.
Wild card.
All right, number 3.
3 for the California Luxury Hotel vacation. The other one is right there at number 15. 3 panels opening up for you. Pick again.
All right, number 10, please.
Flatware with walnut chest.
Well, flatware, let's see, number 20.
Encyclopedia set. No match. David?
We saw that encyclopedia set under number 21. And the match under number 20 for the encyclopedia.
You are correct. And that match gives you another prize up there and another opportunity to solve the puzzle. Go again.
Number 8, please.
Stereo system.
And I think I saw that under number 19.
Gardening gift certificate. Our first look at that prize. Dina.
All right, number 9, please.
Gardening
And
gift
number
certificate.
19.
Gardening gift certificate is right. 2 more doors opening for Dina. Select again.
All right, number 2. All right.
Wild card.
And I need to see what's under number 12.
Number 12 is another wild card. You know what that means? It's been so long since we've had a contestant.
$500.
Yeah, it's been a long time since we've had a contestant reveal 2 wild cards in a row. $500 in cash, and you're going to clear the board because it doesn't matter what you pick.
All right, so I'll pick number 8.
Number 8 is a stereo system. The other stereo system is at number 24. Those 4 doors will now open for you. Then we will show you 7 and 10. That's the flatware with the walnut chest. Now, when we open it, we want you to solve the puzzle, please, Dina.
A bee in your bonnet.
Is it a bee in your bonnet? She is right for a big, big win. Oh, boy, Dina. Come on. Esky's going to be coming out of her shoes on this one.
Okay, Abe for Abe Lincoln. E, A, B, the in, the Y plus the or is your, the ba, that's what I didn't know, and the net. A bee in your bonnet.
A bee in your bonnet, and by golly, did you play that beautifully. And poor David, second
Sorry,
strike
David.
for you, David.
That's life.
Didn't work out. That's life. That's a good way of putting it. We have some gifts for you backstage. So
Thank
long.
you very
Take care.
much. Bye-bye.
All right, Dina, turn around here. Look this way and smile a lot. You have many, many reasons to smile. Gene's going to tell you about them.
A gardening gift certificate, a diamond necklace, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a diamond necklace or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise. And flatware with a walnut chest. Retro News, center stage, accented with 24-karat gold. Service for 8, finely crafted in the very best stainless steel, furnished by Retro News. And radial tires. Toyo radial tires combine quality and durability with high performance handling to add style and performance to your car, furnished by Toyo Tires. And the satellite dish. Enjoy a front row seat for hundreds of satellite TV channels. See movies, sports, news, and your favorite game shows with this easy-to-use General Instrument satellite system. And the stereo system. Symphonics compact stereo system is packed with advanced features, AM, FM, quartz tuner, dual cassette deck, turntable remote control, and incredible sounding two-way speakers furnished by Symphonic. And a California luxury hotel. The Bel Air Summit Hotel features 162 luxury rooms, nightly entertainment, fine dining at Restaurant Echo, tennis and swimming furnished by the Bel Air Summit Hotel, and $500 in cash. And Dina, you have prizes totaling $7,153.
Big win once again for Dina. She's trying to get her daughter Esther to take the gum out of her mouth because she has a feeling she's going to win a car right after this commercial break. Dina, I believe the time has come for you to win a car.
All right, I agree.
15 numbered squares. You're up to 50 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Go to work.
All right. 1, 2.
No.
4, 5.
No.
7, 8.
No.
10, 11.
No.
5, 10.
Yes.
13, 14.
No.
15, 12.
No.
9, 6.
No.
3, 12.
No.
15. 8.
No.
2. 1.
No.
3. 7.
No.
13. 11. 9.
No.
3. 6. 14.
No.
Somebody. 9. 12.
Try 1-8.
1, 8.
Hey! I think what's happening, Dina, is you're calling 2 numbers at a time, and you're having to remember twice as much material. Next time you get up here, if you do again, call them 1 at a time and see if that helps. 'Cause
Okay.
I want you to win a car.
Me
You've got
too.
$18,841 to show for your work so far, and that is excellent. We'll be back. Newcomer to our program hopes lightning will strike twice in the same family. His sister was a winner on our show. Please welcome Kevin Hines.
Thank you, Alex.
Hi, Kevin. Hi. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
We're a little pressed for time, so we're going to get right into it, and we will show you a marvelous prize in the second
The
game today.
contemporary Young Chang Kondo console piano with its beautiful patented ebony finish is handcrafted from fine materials and built to last. Furnished by Young Chang. Alex.
Did you call that a condo special or a lease buster? I'm sure you didn't, Gene. Kevin and Dina, take a look on our board. We'll show you where you can find that lovely piano. At number 1, Holiday on the Isle of St. Martin, also in this game.
Whoa.
5 bonus seconds for a trip to the winner's circle if you make it there, and, of course, the cash pot. Kevin, select.
Okay, well, I'd love that trip. The piano would be nice, too. How about number 13 in the middle?
5 bonus seconds.
Oh, that'd be nice as well. How about 15 on the side?
Piano, no match. Dina's going to get a shot
I
at it.
really want that piano. Number 1 and number 15.
That is right. That's a match. 2 doors opening up for Dina. Select again, Dina.
All right, number 2,
Red take.
red take. And number 4.
Wild card, so you're going to get the take out of it. The other red take.
That's my
Number
insurance.
14, insurance for the piano or for whatever other great prize she manages to put in her column. Open these 3 panels. Dina has yet to lose on this program. Select again.
All right, let's see what's down in the corner. Number 16.
Hardwood flooring.
All right, and number 18.
Diamond and ruby ring. No
I
match.
like it.
Kevin?
Okay, any of those would be fine. How about, let's go for number 3.
Cash pot.
Cash pot. Okay. Let's try in the corner number 25.
There's a match. $700 worth.
I can use that cash.
Way to go, Kevin. Take a look. Pick again.
Okay, number 16, please.
Hardwood flooring.
Now, do we see that? Number 23?
Hardwood flooring.
Right.
The only place we had seen it was at number 16, and you managed to come up with a match by selecting 23. 2 more panels for Kevin.
Is it broken glass?
Is it broken glass? No, it is not. Select again.
Okay, number 7.
Wild card.
Let's see. How about number 17, please?
17 is a green take, and the other take on the board at number 8. Do you want to use yours to grab the piano, or do you want to wait for the trip? Or
Don't take
what
my
do you want to do,
piano.
Kevin?
I'll take that piano, Relis.
All right. No mercy. Take no
No,
prisoners.
No, mercy. No
Take
prisoners.
no prisoners.
And take
Open
it
3
all.
panels for Kevin.
Broken window.
Is it broken window? No, it is not. Select again.
Number 9.
Isle of St. Martin.
Wow. Wow. I could use. Oh, wow. Number 11, please.
Wherever St. Martin is, I want to go there, says Kevin. Washer and
no
dryer.
doubt
No
about it.
match. Dina.
All right, let's see what's under number 20, please.
Telephone and answering machine unit.
All right, let's see what's under number 10.
Compact disc player. Back to Kevin.
Number 6, please.
Wild card.
Oh, let's see if I can remember that. Number 9.
9 for the Isle of St. Martin. Right.
Yes.
The other Isle of St. Martin is at number 12. You're making it very difficult for Dina, because if she gets control of the board and makes a match, she has the take, and she won't know whether to go for the vacation or
piano.
for the piano. Let's open 3 doors for Kevin Hine. Select again.
Let's do something new. How about number 20?
Telephone and answering machine unit.
Ooh, was that 11?
No. Washer and dryer. Dina gets a chance again.
All right, let's see what's under number 22
Washer and dryer.
and number 11.
That's it. Now, you've got the tape. He's got the cash pot. He's got the piano. He's got the island of St. Martin.
I want the piano.
Piano. Give her the piano, open these 2 panels, and see if Dina can win this game. Pick again. Oh, you won't get a chance. Hands on your signaling button. Watch the board carefully as we begin revealing. We'll start with number 5, 10, 13, 18, 19, 20, 21. Dina.
Brief encounter.
Is it brief encounter? No, it is not. Reveal number 24 for Kevin. All right. Hands on your signaling buttons. I'm going to assist you. If you notice, I'll start with the bottom line, because you notice the arrows are pointing at some air. Now, Kevin.
Broken arrow.
Is it broken arrow? Kevin did all the work, and he's going to wind up with some of the good prizes, too. Come on, Kevin. He was on the right track with broken.
Okay, well, here we have the B plus the row on the roof, plus the K plus the hen. We have broken, and then the air, plus the row, arrow. Broken arrow.
Broken arrow. Jeff Chandler. Dina, only your first strike, so you will play again on our next show. We will see you then. Take care. Kevin, let's hear about your prizes. You're a winner, and you got some money coming as well.
A cash pot worth $700 and hardwood flooring. The new generation of Bruce hardwood floors. More beautiful and durable than ever, and they practically take care of themselves. Furnished by Bruce and the Isle of St. Martin. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Mullet Bay Resort. Features golf, tennis, water sports, plus a half-mile of powder white beaches. A tropical paradise in the Caribbean on St. Martin, furnished by the Mullet Bay Resort. And you have a prize package worth $5,108.
And if you had had that piano, it would have gone up to about $8,000. That's an expensive piano.
That was what I got. Thank you.
All right, $5,100 for Kevin, and a chance to win a brand new car when we come back. Kevin's sister, who was a contestant on our program and who won a car, is sitting in the audience right now, hoping he will do the same. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you, Kevin. Base time is 35 seconds. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2.
Nope.
3, 4.
No.
5, 6.
No.
7, 8.
Nope.
2, 8.
Yeah.
2,
no.
7.
2, 7. Yes.
9, 8, 10.
Nope.
6, 10.
Nope.
5, 10.
Yep.
11, 3.
Yep.
12, 4.
No.
6, 14.
No.
8, 12,
Yep.
13, 9.
But that wasn't bad. She says, that's all right, Kev, your first time. You're not expected to win the first time, is he, Karen? All right, he's got $5,108 in prizes. We're going to take a break after we hear about another prize.
Some of today's participants may receive Nishika's revolutionary new 35mm three-dimensional camera. Uses standard color film, requires no focusing or special viewers, and takes pictures that come to life. Furnished by Nishika Corporation. We'll be back to type the concentration in just a moment.
Thank you for being with us today. Please have a very safe weekend, and we will see you all on Monday. So long.